How did you know that? What? Like, you seem confident with that answer.
High school science.
Biology.
What's up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and we are here today at Runyon Canyon. People are out here hiking and exercising, which means they probably know a little bit about fitness. Let's see just how much they do know. What are your names and where are you from?
My name is Morgan. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
I'm Ella, and I'm from Los Angeles.
My name's Corey, and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio as well.
Josh from Chicago.
I'm Minaz, and I'm from Bangladesh.
Are you ladies fans of LeBron James?
Yes, we are. Duh. We was literally just
We're literally talking, yeah. Yes.
going to the question.
Where are red blood cells made? Is it A, the heart, B, bone marrow, or C, liver?
Bone marrow.
You would think the heart, but is it bone marrow?
Correct. Correct. No hesitation. Boom, you're right. You're 1 for 1. You're off to a good start. Bone marrow contains stem cells that are actually capable of becoming any type of blood cell, including white blood cells, plasma, other immune cells, and of course, red blood cells. Kids usually make their blood cells in leg bones, while adults do it in their spine, pelvis, and rib cage. How did you know that? What? Like, you seem confident with that answer.
High school science.
Biology.
Smallest bone in the body is the same size as what? Is it A, almond, B, dime, or C, grain of rice?
Grain of rice.
I think it's a dime. Might be an almond. Don't think it's a grain of rice.
We'll go with the dime, I think.
I can't see it being.
Well, what? I guess it would be like your toes.
No, that's not the smallest bone.
What is it?
Don't ask me. Let's just do a grain of rice. Listen, my final.
Correct. It actually is the grain of rice.
Which bone?
Yeah, which bone is it?
So, the smallest bones in your body are actually the auditory ossicles.
I literally was gonna say that.
You were gonna say,
I was gonna talk about like the cochlea and stuff, and I was like, are those really small? Like, I think they are, whatever.
which are the 3 little bones in your ear that hit your eardrum to let you hear sound. The smallest one is called the stapes, and it's about the size of a grain of rice. The other 2 are just a little bit bigger.
Okay.
So true or false, red blood cells do not have a nucleus. Is that true or is that false?
They do not.
They don't.
I feel like everything has to have a
I'm gonna say
nucleus.
true. Nucleus?
I feel like a cell, because you got your little. I can see the diagram right here. It's like the little mitochondria.
Can I ask a friend?
I think very important friend, yeah.
Nobody? Okay, they're all useless. They're all useless. Never mind.
Me off with red blood cells. You can't just be a cell.
All right, specifically red blood cells.
Let's say true. Let's say true.
You are correct. They do not have a nucleus. You are right.
We'll say true.
True is correct. 3 for 3. You guys paid attention in school. Great students. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of your biology knowledge. 50 ball.
Ooh, thank you. Thank you so much. Of course.
I'm Ella,
I'm Minaz.
and we just played the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
Hey, I'm Josh. I just beat the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
Hi, my name is Morgan,
And I'm Corey.
and we won the Street Smart Challenge.
Ew, thank you, Dherbs.
Herbs, I got my money.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.